First, I'll start, with our relationship. When I look at a relationship that is this large and this strategic, to me, the business plan is the most critical piece of that arrangement. How important is that plan process to you in being able to deliver solutions to your reseller base and ultimately to our customers?
Yeah, great question. I mean, in distribution, we're in quite a unique spot because we're right in the middle of a procurement chain. So
Yeah.
we're doing extensive business planning with all of our vendor partners. I think that's absolute and non-negotiable. But equally, we're then taking that business plan and the deliverables that we are promising to our vendor community and trying to translate that into the language and go-to-market that our partners have, right? So it's almost like we've got two customers that we're trying to, keep happy and develop the businesses of. And, the way I like to keep business planning very simple. I think a business planning document or the process at the start is almost in some way an exercise where we can actually really get to know one another a little bit better. People's objectives, the overall corporate vision of that one of our vendors or our partners will change from year to year for all the right reasons, as businesses like to pivot and stay agile and move in slightly different focus areas. But ultimately, in my opinion, it starts with understanding exactly what good's going to look like from distribution in the eyes of our vendor, understanding what's working for them, where we can really double down, add resource and add muscle, and what's potentially not working and how we can put some brain power behind it and use our data and our intel and our channel, our relationships to help add more fire and more spark to the areas that maybe perhaps have been underperforming. So once we have a good understanding of that and we build a robust business plan and we build some accountability on all sides, then we need to start to take a look at our key strategic partners and also our white space partners for each of those vendors that we're planning with. And we, as a distributor, we have a wealth of knowledge and information in our systems, which usually can point us exactly where we need to be looking when it comes to Michelle's team have told Lewis and his team that we need to start looking down this vertical or this particular product line. Let's take a look at how we can execute that business plan. So maybe I'm going to look at all of the customer data we've got around that particular vertical we've been asked to explore. All of a sudden, our business plan with Ivanti starts to get some legs into some specific resellers and some specific specialists that can help execute on that. So for me, it's a very long way of saying business planning is of utmost importance. And if I'm honest, in distribution, all you're going to do is the old-fashioned pick up a phone and sell a product if you don't have a robust plan on both sides of the market.